Good Monday morning. Welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's DIY is actually just going to be me working on the tables that I found from Goodwill, and I'm going to show you a little haul that I picked up from Goodwill when I went shopping with my mom this weekend. And also I need your opinion on what step I need to do next on the little end tables that I'm working on. So please keep watching and let me know what you think. So I found this lamp at Goodwill, and because it was 50% off day at the Goodwill that I was shopping at, I got it for $2. And these Christmas trees, the green one I got, I believe, for $1.50, and then the white one I got for $1. And the vase with the rope handles I also got for, I think it was $1.50. So I thought it was some pretty good finds. These tables needed a little bit of work. I had to mix up some of the wood putty stuff and fill in where the stripping was going around the side where it was missing. I had to do some sanding because there were a few bumps and nicks and stuff, and I found out that the top part and the bottom piece were laminate, so I couldn't restain them, so I had to do some sort of paint. But as I was putting the primer on, I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it on the legs because I thought it looked kind of cool with the wooden legs. But now I don't know. So I just needed your opinion. Should I paint the legs white or leave them wood? And if you guys are new here, I hope you subscribe. I do a DIY every Monday, and sometimes I will slip another DIY in there during the week, but I also do cleaning videos and recipes and whatever you guys would like to see. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your help on helping me figure out what to do with these tables. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.